Hi friends, welcome back to SGK English for a new video. 7th class, Unit 1, Textual Grammar, page number 8 and 9. So I hope you have learned this already. Let us revise it once. See, in this lesson, we study, can you read this? Apostrophe. Can you read this? Apostrophe. See, last video I told the stress P. And how many syllables are here? You can find dots. In big dictionaries you can find these dots. In small you may not find. In online dictionaries you may not find it. Big dictionaries like Oxford, Cambridge, or you will find the dots between syllables. Syllable I told you in the last video. That group of letters we pronounce at a stretch or together. I repeat. That group of letters we pronounce at a stretch or together is known as a syllable. In every syllable there will be, a vowel sound. A vowel sound. Apostrophe. It is British English. American means apostrophe. It's O here in British English, A here in American English. We Indians follow British English, not American. But there is no wrong in telling American English. It is also accepted. But we generally follow British English. So how to pronounce that? Apostrophe. See, apostrophe. That P is given some stress. Yes, simply speaking, apostrophe. Okay now? Yes. So what is apostrophe? You see, it is a punctuation mark. It is a punctuation mark. Apostrophe. It shows, number one, possession. What is possession? Ownership. Okay now? My pen. Is it not so? There is no apostrophe in that. You see, it shows it's mine. My pen. Is it not so? Yes. So it shows possession or ownership. See, for example, my mother's house. My mother. Okay, only one. With the singular, you just see add apostrophe plus s. Apostrophe plus s. With the plurals, add simply apostrophe. For example, students' library. Students plural. Library meant only for students. So apostrophe is a punctuation mark which shows, number one, possession. It shows what? Possession, which means ownership. Possession or what is it? Ownership. My mother's house. Manager's room. Principal's chamber or principal's room. Okay now? Headmaster's room. Yes. Teacher's room. Teachers, after S you can put the apostrophe because many teachers are there, no? If it is plural, no need of writing that S again. See, students, see, teacher. Teachers. Whereas many teachers are there here. Teachers. Okay na? That is what. If it is singular, you have to put apostrophe plus s. If not plural, just add s after s. Okay na? Yes. For example, see, cat's tails. Cats. Many cats are there. Cat's tails. Is it clear to you? Apostrophe is used to show possession. Okay now? Then see, it is used as a can you read this? Contracted, not contracted. Spelling same. Contract. I have a contract. 2 years contract. That's where. That is different. That's a verb. It's a contracted form of a verb. I will tell you example. I cannot go. How will you say? I can't go. I can't go. This is called a contracted form. Yes. See, short form, that's only meaning, short form. So, this apostrophe is used to show this contracted form. See how to read that? See, here one syllable. Contracted. Contracted. You must learn little bit of pronunciation to improve your method of pronunciation. You are studying 7th, you will go to 8th, 9th, 10th, intermediate. You have to study all these things. This video is meant for those who are studying and those who want to learn little more. Just to tell what is in the textbook, you can read the textbook now. My help not necessary. Yes, I expect you to watch these videos regularly so that you get familiarized with that. Get familiarized. Is it not so? Yes, that is what you listen every day. Everything will be clear to you. You see? How do you learn that? How have you learned that morning prayer, Suprabhatam, Kausalya, Supraja? You know it now? You listen every day, that's why. You hear it every day. So you watch these videos every day. Make it a habit that you watch the videos every day. These things will be quite familiar to you. So number 1 for possession, then for a contracted form. I can't go. In conversation, it is better that you use this short form or contracted form, not contracted, contracted form. Okay, short form. Yes, then some more use are there. In question tags, it is used. He is a clever boy, isn't he? Not is not he, isn't he? See, he works hard, doesn't he? He is a lazy fellow, isn't he? Okay, now. Question tag we have discussed separately. One video is there, question tags. If you are interested, please watch it. Okay, now it is used in perfect tense. Let us see how perfect tense is formed. Perfect tense is formed, you know it now. What is that? Present perfect means has or have plus V3. Past perfect means had plus V3. Past perfect means had plus V3. Future perfect means should have or would have plus V3. That is perfect. I wrote present perfect. Okay. We deal here present perfect. So with the had also this apostrophe can be used. Surely. For example, see, I have, not I have. See, he would. See, he would and he had also. For that had also, I mean this D can be used, he had. So whether it is would or had, you will understand by the sentence. There is no clear explanation, it is would or had. When you get sentence, you will understand whether it is had or would. So they are all this form, I mean apostrophe is used. See present perfect, for example, I have played, don't I have. In conversation, it is better that you use this short form. Is this positive word now? Check it negative. I haven't played. I have played. I haven't played. I haven't, not I have not. So when you change in negative also, it can be used. I have played. I have played. I haven't played. I have not played. I haven't played. You have worked. You have worked. You haven't worked. So in positive and negative both, this contracted form can be used. Means short form can be used. Okay, na? Apostrophe is used for possession, for short form, in present perfect past also they are. Okay. So little part only is discussed in your lesson. You need to know only that. It is better that you know a little more. Okay, na? It is used with, I mean, this alone you cannot pronounce. For example, see, I have been here for 3 days. We can say correctly. Not I have been. I have been here for 3 days. I have been here for 3 days. See, I have alone you cannot say. It will be awkward. No. I have been here for 3 days. You see? See, for example, this is not what is taught in the class in the textbook. See, this is not, I mean, how or something. How will you tell your name? My name is Suresh. But if you are meeting an interview board, if you are answering someone, don't say, my name is Suresh. My name's Suresh. That's better English. Better English. In conversations, it is better to use this, I mean, apostrophe with a contracted form. My name's is as equal as my name is. It is better that you use my name's. Yes, which means my name is. Better English. Advanced English. My name is Suresh. I have been here for 3 days. I have been here for 3 days. I have been here for 3 days. Clear na? Yes, you must be using this contracted form. Contracted form means short form. That is better English. Of course, this is generally used in conversations. For possession, for short form, in perfect tenses, all this apostrophe is used. Apostrophe is used for possession, short form, perfect tense, and in conversations, etc. It is used. That is a general use of apostrophe is here. No? Apostrophe. Okay, now. Now it is a textbook. Some examples are given there. Page number 8 you can read yourself. And 9, see, positive short form, negative short form. Very simple, they are all. What's that? I have played. You have worked. You have worked. He has written. So read it, understand it. That's all. Okay, now. Hey, some exercise also given there. You can fill that answers there itself. Page number 10-2. There is a grammar section of unit 1. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now. Yes. If in doubt remaining, tell me through your comments. I will really answer them. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another video. Goodbye.